Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Shawnette. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. And to my returning subscribers, big up yourself and welcome back again. Thank you for rocking with Shawnette. In today's video, I am going to be discussing the home buying process. The reason I decided to do this video because I just sold a home to a first-time home buyer. And of course, they didn't know a lot of things, and I figure it is a good opportunity for me to share with my community the home buying process if you are planning to purchase or even, thinking about it and do not quite understand what the process is all about. That's what I'm here for, to educate you on what the process is all about. So yes, let's go. All right, here's an overview of the home buying process. First thing you want to do is assess your finances and know how much you can afford. This includes your savings for a down payment, ongoing costs, mortgage, taxes, insurance, and other expenses. Step 2 is get pre-approved for your mortgage. Contact a lender to get pre-approved. This gives you an idea of how much you can borrow, and also it shows the sellers your seriousness. Step 3 is to find yourself an agent. You want to find yourself a knowledgeable agent, okay, that can guide you through this process and can help you find a home that meet your needs and your criteria, and also that can negotiate on your behalf. So that is very important, getting yourself an agent that's very knowledgeable about the home process. All right. After you've done the first 3, determine your budget, get your pre-approval, and now you have an agent under your belt. Now you step 4, house hunting begins. Okay. I would encourage you to make a list of your must-haves, things that you must have in this property, okay, before you go out shopping. Okay, visit homes that fit your criteria and take notes. When you go out, make sure you jot down notes on each of the properties that you like. And yeah, so you remember, because you won't remember everything. So yeah, I would encourage you to do that. Step 5, after we've honed in on a property, the next step is to present an offer. Once you find the right home, your agent will help you put together a competitive offer, okay, based on the market conditions and the home value. Yes, that's why it's important to have an agent in your corner to assist you in this buying process. Yes, and I mean your agent working for you. Okay, I do not encourage buyers to go out and work with the seller's agent, because that seller's agent has a fiduciary responsibility to work for the seller. So of course you want someone representing you as the buyer. So definitely get yourself an agent that can help you through this process, okay? Step 5, okay, is to get a home inspection on the property. After your offer is accepted, it's time to get a home inspection. The home inspection assesses the property's condition, and it also helps you identify any potential problems that the property may have. Step 7, negotiate repairs and concessions. If there are any repairs that needs to be made, you can negotiate with the seller to make those repairs or to adjust the price of the property to compensate for those repairs. All right, step 8, okay? It's securing your financing, finalizing your mortgage application with the lender. They will need various documents like your proof of income, your tax returns for the past 2 years, and also your bank statements for the past 3 months. I would just encourage you to be very, very attentive and communicative with your lender, okay? You want to turn in all the necessary documents as soon as possible. You want to be on top of your game when it comes to this part of it, because this can make or break the deal, of course, unless you're paying cash. And majority of us can't afford to pay cash for a property, okay? Step 9 is the closing process, okay? You're going to review all the closing documents before the settlement date. During closing, you'll finalize your mortgage and pay any closing costs. Okay, so you have to make sure that you have your closing costs when you're ready to go through this buying process. Okay, For example, say you're doing like an FHA loan or a conventional loan. Usually FHA, you're required to put down 3.5%. So that is 3.5% of the sale price of the property. So you want to have at least that. For example, say your budget is $400,000. You put in an offer on a property for $400,000. Okay, 3.5% of that $400,000 is $14,000. Okay, so you want to have at least $14,000 in the bank. That's just an example, plus your closing costs. Okay, closing costs are additional fees that comes with purchasing the property, like your transfer taxes, your recordation fees, and everything. All the fees that comes with transferring the property. That's what your closing cost is enough. And that also includes your realtor fees and all that. So yes. Okay, to give you a breakdown of the upfront cost that is needed to purchase a home. First, you will need your earnest money deposit. That is your good faith deposit that we use to submit your offer to the seller. Okay, that earnest money deposit comes back to you at settlement. Actually, that earnest money deposit goes towards your down payment or closing costs at settlement. And of course, if the deal falls through, you get that money back and fall through for a good cause, such as the inspection report coming back unsatisfactory and the seller is not willing to negotiate, you can walk away and get your earnest money deposit back. The earnest money deposit usually range from 1 to 2% of the purchase price. Next is the down payment. Down payment can range from 3% all the way to 20%. Now we're on to your closing costs. Closing costs are those fees that I told you that comes with purchasing a home, and that can range from 3 to 6% of your loan amount, okay? And of course, moving. Your moving costs to pay the movers. If you're moving yourself, you can save there. But of course, there's always some fees when it comes to, moving, packing, all that good stuff. So yes, I just wanted to throw that bonus in there. So you walking away, at least you know the money that you need to come up with, okay? Yes. And the final step, we've made it to the end. It's move-in time, okay? Once everything is settled and you receive your keys to the property, you can start the exciting process of moving into your new home. So congratulations, you now have an idea on the process of purchasing your home. So good luck on your journey to home ownership. If you have any specific questions about each of these steps, feel free to ask, okay? Yes, so if you are in the Maryland, West Virginia, or Pennsylvania area, you can reach out to your girl. I'll be happy to assist you in purchasing your first home. All right, guys, hope this information was very helpful. Take care. See you in the next video. Peace out.